Gold against US dollar this week has formed several candles around 23.2358 price level, where the price could not make a breakout to the lower side, and also a strong wick closing going all the way to 2400 and then bouncing back down. We can see several candles formed here where the price reaches support level, and then on the Friday forming a small bullish breakout where the price tried to reach higher price levels all the way to 2418. Now, I have mentioned in the Telegram group in this week for the traders that I'm expecting that the price will rise in value based on what I can see, and I have opened here a trade with a stop loss and also take profit indicating for the rise in value. Now on the weekly time frame, this looks as a bullish candle. It is a bullish candle, continuation of the bullish trend where the price is closed about 23.58 as a bullish candle, and it's trying to reach 2400 and also making bullish breakout. On the monthly time frame, this is continuation of this bullish trend starting from 2072 price level, and then we do not see price stopping, but we have 10 more days, which is 1.5 more week until this month ends. Anything can happen on the market in 10 days, so it is the best to stay away from making any conclusions right here on the market, because the price could also reverse back down, closing as a bearish candle in several days. But for now, as it looks, it is a bullish trend on the monthly time frame, and for many conclusions on the weekly time frame, a very important levels is this one here around 2358 and also here at 2300. For now, as it looks, until the price stays above these two price levels, it will be a bullish trend, and if the price goes below these price levels, it will be some kind of indication of the possible further decline down all the way to 2200. If that happens, the first level where the price needs to make a breakout is this one here below 2358, which you can see it was a very important also currently support level in this week for the price that has prevented the price from falling even more down. Below that, we can see an important level for the price is this one here. It is around 2332, but the strongest one is this one around 2300. If the price goes above 2400, it is also some kind of a bullish breakout going above a psychological level, which is a round number, indicating there is a possibility further rise in value. So above that, there is no any technical indication what is the price level that the price could reach, but we could also make some kind of a round number as a conclusion that the price could go. It will be 2450. So this could be also a potential next target where the price could reach, because we can see the next in the past 2431.79 was the highest point when the price has reached. So for now, as it looks, I'm still open to see the price going even more up. I'm still bullish oriented, and also the first level for the support is this one around 2358 that needs to hold in order to continue to rise in value. So if there is anything happening on the market, for example, any bearish breakout happening on the market, or some kind of indication where the next target for the price could go, I will share that inside the Telegram group, just like in this case in this week. So if you would like to check, feel free to check the link below. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.